That's a nice bed you got there, little buddy.
Hi, Rachel.
It's Docs, Ben and Erin from Heartland Docs DVM on NatGeo Wild.
We've got some great cleaning tips today to help keep your pet happy and healthy. A great tip that we have for pets and their beds is certainly, if you can, to get a chew-proof, waterproof cover that you can put on. It has a zipper, super easy to come off. Happy's bed here did not come with one, so we improvised in our house and we just have a pillowcase. Sometimes when you wash these beds, you can throw them in the wash as well, but if they have any loose fill, sometimes they'll all end up in a bunch.
That's not comfy anymore,
That's
is it?
not comfy.
What do you do with these kind of beds if they soil on them?
Well, in general, I try and put them in the wash. Sometimes they're too big, too bulky, you have to hand wash them, get a tank. I like to use detergent that is really safe for babies. You know, scent-free, additive-free. We don't want the pets to have so much fragrance and any sort of chemical that's going to irritate their paws, their mouth. I mean, they're licking on their beds. They snuggle into them, so we want to keep it nice and safe.
That's a nice bed you got there, little buddy.
There's your department.
Yes, these are the non-fabric toys that our dogs love. And these need to go right in the dishwasher, sanitize them, and you're done. And we do these about once a week or whenever needed.
A couple of fabric toys. This is Happy's favorite. No holes, no issues. Goes in the wash. You can throw it in with the pet beds.
This opening on the inside of a toilet paper roll is about exactly the size of the throat of an animal. So we want to make sure that the toy that we use is bigger than the throat area.
Yeah. So, tennis ball can't fit down. This is actually a little light off the collar of the dog. If this were to happen to be chewed off or swallowed, that can go right down.
That's a choking hazard. It's a dirty job, but if you own cats, clean that litter box every day. We clean a lot at the clinic, obviously, but at home, you can use the same disinfectants. Just make sure they're diluted properly. Using a dilution of 1 part bleach or vinegar to 10 parts water, that's the way to do it. These little tiny lungs, these sensitive feet can get very irritated very fast.
You always want to wear gloves. Anytime you're dealing with fecal material, you want to protect yourself.
Let's talk about dog bowls and cat bowls.
Favorite is stainless steel. These don't harbor bacteria. They're really easy to clean. If you drop it on the floor, no problem.
What about this one? It's so cute.
It's cute, but it's plastic, and those are porous, and they can harbor bacteria, which can cause contact dermatitis with the chin, the ears, skin folds. Stainless steel is certainly my favorite.
This is a great idea too. We have 2 sets of dog and cat dishes because one's getting washed and one's getting used, and you can just swap them.
Yep.
Thank you again so much to Erin and Ben, and I hope next time we get to visit, even if it has to be on Zoom, because I really do enjoy their company so much. And new episodes of Heartland Docs air Saturdays at 10 p.m. on NatGeo Wild. And season 1 is streaming. You can even watch season 1. It streams on Disney Plus.